Gentlemen, let's be honest. Relationships are messy. They're not the Instagram perfect fairy tales or rom-coms we grew up watching. Sometimes they feel more like a Netflix thriller, full of suspense, secrets, and plot twists that hit you when you least expect them. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you to turn into Sherlock Holmes, rifling through her phone, checking every text, every DM, every deleted message like you're in a crime drama. That's not the move. You don't need to stalk, hack, or spy. But if something feels off, your gut is probably already whispering the truth. And today, we're going to talk about the 5 most common signs she might already be cheating and what you can do about it without losing your mind or dignity. Before we jump in, let's get this straight. This isn't about paranoia. It isn't about being controlling. It's about protecting your mental peace. Because a man's most valuable asset isn't his money, his looks, or even his charm. It's his energy and his emotional stability. And inside the Hidden Magnet Club, that is our sacred law. If you don't protect your peace, you lose the game before it even starts. So before we dive in, hit subscribe to Hidden Magnet Club. We teach you how to attract women effortlessly, how to read people like a book, and how to maintain respect and dignity in every situation. If you're tired of mixed signals, lying, and chasing women who don't value you, you're in the right place. Sign number 1. She's suddenly overprotective with her phone. Phones are a normal part of life. We all use them. But there's a difference between casual phone use and guarding your phone like it contains nuclear codes. Has she suddenly started taking her phone everywhere? Bathroom, shower, walking the dog? She might as well superglue it to her hand. And pay attention to how she puts it down. Face up, face down, hidden under a pillow like it's a live grenade? That's not casual. That's a defensive move. When privacy turns into paranoia, your gut should notice. It's the little things. Her reaction to a simple question, like, "Hey, who texted you?" If she jumps like you just accused her of something criminal, that's a red flag. And let's be honest, if she dives for her phone like Tom Brady diving for the Super Bowl winning touchdown every time you enter the room, it's time to pay attention. Here's the trick. Don't accuse, don't freak out. A calm, respectful man asking direct questions is far more powerful than a jealous man going full detective mode. Subtle observation is your secret weapon. Sign number 2, strange contacts and social media shenanigans. Cheaters are creative. They might not be loyal, but they are Olympic-level creative when it comes to hiding people. Work, mechanic, Juanito, or the mysterious Jay. Unless your girl has a secret midnight mechanic who doubles as a life coach and salsa instructor, that's not a normal contact. Watch for disappearing messages, muted notifications, or apps she suddenly guards with her life. Does this automatically mean she's cheating? Not necessarily. But if you ask, "Hey, who's that?" and she freezes, dodges, or changes the subject, that's a huge red flag. Here's a little story. A friend of mine noticed his girlfriend started calling a new contact Carlos in his presence, but the same number appeared as Jay in her phone. When he asked, she laughed nervously and changed the subject. That little shift in behavior, her reaction, spoke louder than any text ever could. Don't snoop, don't invade privacy, just watch patterns. Behavior reveals the truth faster than any phone log ever will. And quick reminder, if you're finding value so far, hit that subscribe button to Hidden Magnet Club. We cover these dynamics daily, helping you recognize manipulation, build confidence, and never feel powerless in your relationship again. Sign number 3, she doesn't want to spend time with you anymore. Remember the early days? The long dinners, late-night talks, walks under the stars? The little moments where she looked at you like you were the only man in the room? Now it's different, isn't it? She's suddenly always tired, busy, or needs space. Here's the truth. Space is never about space. When a woman asks for space, it usually means she's creating room for someone else. Emotional distance is the silent killer of relationships. Try inviting her to do something you both used to enjoy. If she avoids it, gives excuses, or seems uncomfortable, that's a sign her energy and attention are going elsewhere. Remember this, her time is the most valuable thing she can give you. If she's not giving it to you, she's giving it to someone else. That's not just a red flag, it's a warning sign. The final clues and truth you can't ignore. Sign number 4. The classic, I'm busy with work. Yes, the classic. I have to stay late at work. Now, work is real. Life gets busy. But when work suddenly becomes her second home and her paycheck doesn't reflect the overtime, your gut should tingle. It starts innocent enough. 1 late night, then 2. Then suddenly she's got projects you've never heard about, meetings popping out of nowhere, deadlines magically appearing each week. Ask yourself, do her commitments match her stories, or is something missing? Here's the move. Ask calmly, you've been busy a lot lately. Is everything okay? Her reaction is everything. Calm and honest response? Fine. Defensive, angry, changing the subject? Huge red flag. And gentlemen, if she's ever said, don't wait up, consider actually waiting. Observe. Patterns always tell the truth. Sign number 5. Social media becomes her new boyfriend. Now, this one is brutal. There's a difference between casual Instagram scrolling and being glued to the phone like it's a lifeline. The signs: constantly smiling at her screen, laughing at texts you'll never see, locking her phone tighter than Fort Knox. She used to leave it lying around. Now she guards it like it's the last slice of pizza on movie night. Here's the move. Ask casually, who are you always chatting with? Must be fun. Her reaction will say more than her words. If her online world becomes more important than your real-world connection, you're no longer the priority. You're just the roommate. Final words. Catching someone cheating is never easy. Ignoring the signs is worse. This isn't about paranoia or controlling behavior. It's about protecting your peace. Love that makes you question yourself every day isn't love, it's manipulation. A woman who truly loves you doesn't play games with your time, doesn't hide her phone like it's radioactive, and doesn't smile at her screen while you sit silently at dinner. Cheating doesn't always start in bed. It starts with messages, lies, and emotional gaps. And the biggest mistake men make when they suspect something is wrong? Staying silent. Silence is self-destruction. Don't wait until you catch her red-handed. Don't wait until your self-respect is gone. A woman who cheats doesn't just steal your loyalty, she steals your peace, your confidence, your energy, and worst of all, she may leave you feeling like you weren't enough, when the truth is, she failed. Gentlemen, wake up. Your peace is worth more than any relationship. If something feels wrong, you already have your answer. And if you want more videos like this, raw, real, and unfiltered, hit subscribe to Hidden Magnet Club. Learn how to become the man she regrets losing, because you deserve respect, loyalty, and love that doesn't question your worth.